Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your USDC to USDT on Binance. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search convert. Search it and you will find it. You can click this one. And then as you can see, this is the page you can convert your USDC. Make sure in the top you choose USDC and in the bottom you can change it to USDT. Click this one and then you can fill the amount here. And then I will max it and you will see the amount you will receive. If you share, you can click trade here. And this is the preview. You can just click confirm. And it's done. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.